Hey, this is Todd at Driftwood Builders Roofing. Going to talk just a little bit about ventilation today. So I'm going to turn my camera and we're going to start here. That is called the soffit vent, and they're all the way around the house. Usually about every 8 feet in the soffit, you're going to find these vents all the way around the house. That in the roofing business is what we call an intake. So it's pulling the air in so that it will push up and through the attic and let that air ventilate. That little box vent right there is called an air hawk or a turtle vent. That is letting the hot air out. So in every attic system, we want to have the soffit vents at the bottom pulling air in, and then the turtle vents letting the air out at the top. You see another one up there at on the 2-story of my roof. Anyway, that's kind of a brief explanation of how we move air through an attic. There's lots and lots of different ways to vent a roof from the top, and we'll talk about those in future episodes. Talk to you soon.